You are welcome to yet again another episode of our discussion on the Computer Misuse Act. Today, we are going to look at Section 29 of this law, which focuses on misuse of social media. When you look at the law, the way it is phrased, it is so broad that it says that any person who uses social media, publish, distribute, or share information that is prohibited under the laws of Uganda under disguised or false identity, such a person commits an offense. The law goes on to say that for somebody to be liable for this offense, they must have used a social media account that is a disguised name. So ideally, this section covers and focuses on people who open up social media accounts in other names. People call them pseudonyms. It doesn't mean that if you use social media in your own natural name, you don't commit any other offense. But this particular section targets people who use these accounts in other people's names or disguised names or pseudo accounts. If you do that and you publish any information that is prohibited, then you will be committing an offense under this law. The section goes on to provide that if the person who was managing that account or that account was an organization's account, then the person who is responsible for managing or posting content on behalf of that institution will be the person deemed to be the author of whatever information that is shared through such a platform. What does the law say about the punishment for this offense? It says a person who is convicted of an offense under this section will be liable on conviction to a fine not exceeding 500 currency points, that is 10 million shillings, or to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 5 years or both. The same law defines social media in subsection 5. Social media means a set of technologies, sites, practices which are used to share opinions, experience, perspectives. We enjoy using social media. And as at UCC, we encourage more and more people to open up and get social media accounts, because social media can propagate businesses, social media can improve brands, social media can be used for business, but you should only use it for legitimate purposes. So you and me, let's work towards using computer systems, social media for good, for building the country. Let's work to preserve the common good of Uganda.
Uganda Communications Commission.